In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Airtable for inventory management. Airtable is a flexible spreadsheet meets database tool that makes it easy to track what you have, what's running low, and where everything comes from. Let's set up a clean, reliable system you can maintain over time. First, open your browser and go to Airtable's website, then sign in. Once you're in, create a new base. You can start from scratch, or choose one of the inventory templates if you want a head start. Give your base a clear name so you and your team know exactly what it's for. Inside the base, create a table dedicated to your inventory items. The first column is your primary field. Use it for the item name so every record is easy to identify at a glance. Now add the essential fields: quantity, category, price, and supplier. For quantity, choose a number format and consider whole numbers to avoid decimals. For category, a single select dropdown keeps your data consistent. For price, set the field to currency so totals are readable. For supplier, a simple text field is fine to begin with, and you can refine it later if needed. Start entering your items as records, one row per product. Be consistent with naming, so searching and filtering stay accurate. If you already have a list elsewhere, you can paste it in to save time. As you build the table, make sure quantities and prices use the correct formats to avoid mistakes down the road. To keep everything organized, use filters or grouped views. For example, filter to show items with quantity below a chosen threshold so you can quickly spot low stock, or group by category or supplier to see related items together. This makes large inventories much easier to manage. As stock comes in or goes out, update quantities right in the table. Edit the quantity field whenever items are added or sold, so your numbers stay current. If context matters, add a quick note with the date and reason for the change. You can also attach photos, invoices, or manuals to each item and jot down notes like storage location or warranty dates. Visuals and details help reduce errors and speed up restocking. Switch between views to match your workflow. The grid view is great for detailed editing, while Kanban provides a visual board when you group by a field like category or status, making it simple to scan and manage items. Finally, review your inventory regularly. Open your low stock filters, scan categories, and confirm quantities so your data stays accurate and actionable. With a few minutes of consistent upkeep, Airtable becomes a dependable home for your entire inventory.